What is up, guys? It's Ben once again with C3 Media, and I'm coming at you today with a different kind of video, more of a vlog type of thing. Don't really have a set topic on what I'm doing, nothing really to talk about, no products to showcase or anything like that. But it is a nice Sunday at the end of, actually I think it's March 1st, honestly. And so nice day. It's supposed to be like 60 degrees. My truck is an absolute disaster right now. We had a little bit of snow at the beginning of the week, and then it just kind of rained, so it's been just kind of nasty. So I'm gonna go around, get this thing cleaned up, and just kind of show you guys what I do throughout a day like this. So guys, it is indeed March 1st, and my truck is saying it is 47 degrees out right now. It's supposed to get up to like 56 today. Great day to wash the truck, do a little errand running and those kind of things. Gonna go grab some lunch and then head out to my parents and wash this thing up. I live in an apartment. They've got a water hookup over here somewhere, so if I park in that first spot over there, I've got a hose in the back of my truck, but it's kind of on a hill. And they've just got a nice flat setup out there, and you know, I think it's a little bit better for doing videos and things like that. So if you guys want to tag along today and just kind of see what I do on days like today, go ahead and follow along. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, I've made it out here to my parents' house, getting ready to wash this truck up. They called for snow this week and nothing really stuck, but they treated the roads with all the spray and stuff that they do. And this video doesn't do it a whole lot of justice, but man, these things, you can definitely tell in the plastics and the rubbers and those kind of things, and it just slings it up all down the side. And good thing it's silver, but still yet, it's still calling for rain tonight, but we're gonna go ahead and wash this thing up, get a little spray wax on it, kind of keep it protected. Sometime within the next month or so, I'd like to get it and do the whole clay bar on it and do a paint correction and ceramic coat it before spring comes around. So I bought it in kind of the middle of winter, so couldn't really do anything with it there, but I'll go ahead and kind of show you guys what I'm working with detail wise and product wise, and we'll get started on this. Got this truck all washed up, washed it, dried it with one of my microfiber towels again, did the whole spray wax thing on it, spray waxed the wheels, went ahead and put a water-based Chemical Guys tire shine on there. If you guys haven't checked that out, I will put a link in the description below. You guys have heard me talking about my other wheels I'm going to put on this 19 Sport that I've got. I did keep the black wheels off the black 17 STX F-150 that I had. If you guys have watched my previous videos, you've seen these wheels before. I've done a ceramic coat on those. I took them off and rotated them, and when I did that, I washed them and ceramic coated the insides of them. I've got them stuffed down here in this little shed that I've got behind the house. Just waiting on springtime to come around and put these things on. They've got Nitto 420s on them, so I don't really feel like I want to drive them in the wintertime. I'm here washed and coated, and just kind of waiting out the winter months to put these back on. They're a 20x9 new. They are a Fuel Tech, so they're one of Fuel's new lines that they introduced last year, and they've just got a factory sized 275 something. Yeah, it's a 275 55 R20 on a 20x9 fuel wheel, and they're just a Nitto 420. So pretty cool. Well, that is all I've got for today's upload here. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe. Let us know what you think about these videos. Please leave a comment and tell me what you would like to see more of, what you'd like to see less of, and kind of what you'd like to see us do on the next couple videos. So we're pretty new to this and trying to get stuff started here. So all your feedback is definitely helpful. So thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, and we will see you guys next time.